the advent of artificial intelligence, a lot of dual-directed jobs will be lost in the near future. Ability to think independently, spot patterns, critically evaluate solutions, and solve problems you've never seen before. These are the skills that would come in handy. Hence, it's critical for the school kids of today who would be entering the workforce in the coming few years to possess these skills and stay relevant in the era of AI. A fun and effective way to develop these skills is through puzzles. The good thing about puzzles is that you can never learn a solution by heart. You may know how to solve a certain puzzle, but you'll still need to apply the logic afresh every time you try to solve it. We wanted the kids to be aware of this and thought a competition would be a good way to do so. And that's how Puzzlebee was conceptualized. Into its fourth year now, Puzzlebee 2019 saw over 1,000 participants in the online elimination round. Thereafter, the top 20% participants were selected for the second round. A lot of research went into setting these papers. We wanted the students to have questions which they have never seen before, yet such that they should be able to crack them with a little bit of application. After the second round, we had an on-stage round for the top 10 finalists. The rationale behind having a stage round is as much about their IQ as about their EQ. When you are on stage with 9 equally sharp kids in front of an audience, the pressure on you is way more than what it would be in any normal examination. How you react when someone goes ahead of you, how you react when you suffer a setback, these are very critical skills. You cannot win unless you can hold your nerves under these tense situations. A lot of students and even parents often ask us, what's the point in participating if we are sure not to win? Well, I would say we look at Puzzlebee as something like a marathon. Most of us know we are sure not to win, but we still participate. We say, let's do this for fun, for health. It's the same thing here. There's going to be just one winner, but everyone needs to be healthy enough in this race against artificial intelligence.